Hello, my name is Sylvia Chalo and welcome back to TSL. Now, today we are here to showcase another project that we did located along the Lower Kabete Road. Now, on this project, we had the privilege of collaborating two distinct fronts, the frameless and the aluminium shop front. Let's have a look at what we did in this project. Now, for this project, the frameless shopfront truly embodies modernity and sophistication. The use of the durable 10 mm clear toughened glass along with the spider accessories not only ensures security but also enhances the overall visual appeal. On the other hand, the aluminum shopfront offers a perfect blend of durability and functionality. The 180 series aluminum framing provides a sturdy structure, while the 4+4 clear acoustic laminated glass window offer transparency and sound insulation capabilities. Both the design, frameless and aluminium have exceeded our expectation in this project, and if you too are looking for quality aluminium work and good craftsmanship, why don't you give us a call on the number on the screen, where you can visit our offices located in Chakamol, third floor.